Hi, welcome back to Stellar Stories. Get ready for a cosmic adventure as we dive into the top 10 strangest planets that defy all logic and look like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie. Buckle up, this is going to be a wild ride through the universe's weirdest worlds. But first, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. 1. Tres 2b, the darkest planet. First up, we have Tres 2b, the darkest planet ever discovered. Located a staggering 750 light-years away, this exoplanet is officially the darkest of them all. Tres 2b reflects less than 1% of the light that hits it, making it darker than coal or even black paint. Its eerie, pitch-black surface is due to a combination of light-absorbing gases and clouds. But here's where it gets even weirder. Despite its darkness, the planet glows a molten red. It's as if this dark, menacing world is a giant smoldering coal in space. The surface temperature soars to a blistering 1,100 degrees Celsius, causing it to emit a hellish, fiery glow. Scientists are still puzzled about why it's so dark, making this planet one of the most mysterious objects in the cosmos. 255 Cancri E, the diamond planet. Next on our list is 55 Cancri E, a planet that's literally a gigantic diamond. This dazzling world is about twice the size of Earth, and astonishingly, 1/3 of its mass is made up of solid diamond. It's a carbon-heavy planet where the pressure is so immense that carbon crystallizes into diamond. However, don't get too excited about mining it. This glittering gem is 40 light-years away, making it out of reach for now. Even if we could somehow get there, bringing back a fraction of its diamond would flood Earth's market and render diamonds worthless. So for now, this planet remains a beautiful, distant dream. 3. Gliese 436b, the icy fireball. Imagine a planet that's a massive ball of ice, yet it's on fire. Gliese 436b is exactly that, an icy world with a surface temperature of 439 degrees Celsius. This might sound impossible, but the planet's intense gravity causes the ice to stay solid despite the extreme heat. The planet's gravity is so strong that it compresses the ice, preventing it from melting into water or vapor. Instead, the ice remains solid and burns away slowly, giving the planet an appearance that defies all our understanding of chemistry. If you've ever wondered what it's like to be on an ice planet with a blazing surface, Gliese 436b is your answer. 4. HD 189733b, the glass rain planet. Now let's visit HD 189733b, a planet where it rains glass sideways. This exoplanet is famous for its extreme weather, with winds howling at 4,000 miles per hour. The planet's blue hue comes from silicon particles in its atmosphere, which, under intense temperatures, condense into solid glass. This glass is then blown around by the fierce winds, creating glass rain that falls sideways like shards of deadly hail. The constant glass rain and high-speed winds make HD 189733b one of the most hostile environments we've ever discovered. 5. WASP 12b, the planet eaten by its star. WASP 12b is having a rough time. This planet is being slowly consumed by its own star. Located extremely close to its parent star, the planet is subject to intense heat, which causes it to puff up and lose mass at an alarming rate. In fact, it loses about 6 billion metric tons of mass per second. The relentless heat has caused WASP 12b to stretch and deform into an egg-like shape rather than a perfect sphere. This planet is an example of how close proximity to a star can dramatically alter a planet's physical characteristics, leading to a dramatic and destructive end. 6. Gliese 581c, the extreme climate planet. Gliese 581c is a planet that's both fascinating and extreme. It's one of the top candidates for potentially supporting alien life due to its location in the habitable zone of its star system. However, living conditions here are anything but comfortable. The planet is tidally locked, meaning one side constantly faces its star while the other remains in perpetual darkness. The side facing the star is scorching hot, while the far side is frigidly cold. But there's a narrow, habitable zone in between where temperatures might be just right for life. This strip of land is the only place where conditions could be suitable for alien life forms, assuming you don't step too far to either side. 7. WASP 17b, the puffy planet. WASP 17b is a planet that challenges our understanding of planetary formation. It's 1.9 times the size of Jupiter, but has an extremely low density, making it a puffy planet. This planet is so large and airy that it shouldn't even exist according to current models of planetary science. On top of that, WASP 17b has a retrograde orbit, meaning it rotates in the opposite direction to its star. This unusual rotation and its enormous size make WASP 17b one of the most intriguing and puzzling planets in our galaxy. 8 HD 188753 AB, the three-sun planet. Imagine living on a planet with not one, not two, but three suns. HD 188753 AB is part of a triple star system, and if you lived here, you'd experience triple shadows and constant eclipses. The planet's three suns would create stunning and surreal sunrises and sunsets, each day offering a spectacular light show as the stars cross paths. Living on HD 188753 AB would mean witnessing one of the most extraordinary and breathtaking celestial displays imaginable. 9 GJ 1214b, the water world. GJ 1214b is often nicknamed the water world because its entire surface is covered by a vast continuous ocean. The planet's surface is one giant unbroken sea, with the water extending miles beneath the surface before reaching a solid ice core. This isn't ordinary ice, though. It's Ice 7, created by the immense pressure from the ocean above. This unique form of ice is a result of extreme conditions and adds another layer of mystery to this watery world. 10 Kepler 438b, the most Earth-like exoplanet. Finally, let's talk about Kepler 438be, the most Earth-like planet we've ever discovered. With an Earth similarity index of 0.88, this rocky world is in the Goldilocks zone, where conditions are just right for liquid water and potentially life. Discovered in 2015, Kepler 438b has all the prerequisites for life as we know it, including a rocky surface and a favorable distance from its star. It represents one of our best chances of finding a planet that could support life similar to our own. Outro. Thanks for exploring these bizarre and fascinating planets with us. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more stellar stories and out-of-this-world content. See you next time.